रिसेंटली एक क्लाइंट आता है, उसने मुझे बोला मैम मेरे फिजिशियन ने रिकमेंड किया है कि मुझे HBOT लेना चाहिए बिकॉज आई एम हैविंग स्लीप डिस्टर्बेंस. Hey everyone, this is Dr. Janvi Mishra. I help people to achieve their wellness on the basis of science. So उनके फिजिशियन ने HBOT क्यों रिकमेंड किया? So today we will understand why HBOT is helpful if your sleep is disturbed and also your quality of sleep is not good. So let me show you. This is our hyperbaric oxygen therapy machine. It's a simple chamber. It's just like a room. You can see here you have to just go inside and sit. It's very comfortable also. It's just like one another room. You have to sit here. There is oxygen mask or nasal cannula which you have to use. So the question is why you should go for this kind of treatment or therapy to improve your sleep pattern. So first of all, right now also you all are inhaling oxygen, right? And I'm also going to inhale oxygen only. Here I'm going to inhale 100% oxygen. So how it's gonna helpful for my sleep disturbance? What happens sometimes we are having less blood supply to the certain part of your body. When you breathe oxygen at certain pressure, it improves your blood supply or also the oxygen to reach to your cells. What we need in life to be healthy and to lively, we need oxygen and food. So अगर ऑक्सीजन की सप्लाई अच्छी होगी then only you can be healthy and your cells can be healthy. So when you're sitting in this chamber, your oxygen and your blood supply improves. So when you breathe 100% oxygen at certain pressure, it reaches to all your body parts where your oxygen molecules generally are not able to reach. So what you have to do generally, just adjust your nasal cannula, or sometimes we use oxygen mask also as per the comfort zone. So you have to just adjust, okay, and you have to just lie down and relax. You can see it's very relaxing. And now we will inhale the oxygen at certain pressure. When you breathe properly, try to do meditation here, because the duration here when you are in this chamber, it's around 60 to 90 minutes, and also the pressure is 1.3 to 2 eta generally for the reduction of the sleep disturbance. Generally the pressure here is around 1.3 to 1.8. So when you are sitting here, you can do meditation, you can read your books. You don't have any difficulty when you're sitting in this chamber. So it's very useful for everyone, those who are having disturbance in the sleep. And also I would suggest, if you want to improve your longevity, this is also one good option. So don't delay, understand the HBOT, inculcate the integrative method to improve your quality of life. Thank you.